We have a very youthful looking 56-year-old patient, and she has very minimal signs of aging, but she has some. And you can see here she has nasolabial folds that are somewhat evident. Now this is caused by just the natural aging process where the facial tissues descend to some degree, and you get extra fullness in this area, which accentuates the nasolabial fold. Renuva can treat this by adding some volume in the fold and softening the look. I'm now going to inject Renuva into her nasolabial folds. I use a 22 gauge needle. It's 1.5 inch long. I prefer a needle because it gives me more control. Using a cannula is perfectly acceptable, though you do need a slightly larger gauge to prevent clogs. I like to inject from a single point and use the threading technique. This enables me to create less trauma in the skin and to fill the area with several passes. Renuva is ideal for this technique because any small imperfections can be massaged out and they do not leave permanent irregularities as a filler may. Even though Renuva is not a filler, you do inject it similarly to fillers, meaning you still use good technique to avoid the risk of occlusions, and you massage down any volume to create a nice even contour. With Renuva, you do want to fill to correction, and going slightly over is not a problem because it settles down very, very nicely over about a week or so. The final results can take 3 to 6 months. The goal for a Renuva treatment is to treat to correction. And as the fat cells grow in that area, the patient may see some diminishment of volume, and at that point you can have them come back at 3 to 6 months for a retreatment.